Hey guys, today I'll show you how to enable debug mode in Project Zomboid. Debug mode gives you powerful developer tools like item spawning, God mode, teleporting, and more. It doesn't come on by default. You have to activate it before launching the game. First, close Project Zomboid if it's running. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Project Zomboid, then choose Properties. In the General tab under Launch Options, type -debug. This tells the game to load with debug tools enabled. Close the Properties window when you're done. Now launch the game normally through Steam. Once you reach the main menu, start or load a game. Debug mode is now active. You'll see a small bug or mosquito icon usually on the left side of the screen. Click that icon to open the debug panel. Inside the debug panel, you can access developer tools, spawn items, use experimental cheats, tweak stats, and more, depending on your needs. To turn off debug mode, just remove the -debug from the launch options, close the game, and restart normally. And that's how you enable debug mode in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.